Center na ulit, center na.
Squeeze here.
Here, dito po.
Hi po, good evening. I'm Albert po from Chicanas. To Joshua and Julia. For you, Julia, who is more endearing? Yung babading-bading na Joshua or yung super straight na Joshua? And
More intriguing.
more endearing.
I'm sorry. Yung more endearing. Of course, the super straight Joshua. Of course, yung super endearing na Joshua. Iba talaga magmahal ang isang Joshua Garcia.
So, you're confirming na
Yes.
kayo na?
Matagal na.
Oo? Wala ka na doon, Julia?
Dami sa akin yan ni Joshua.
Look, Julia, take it from me. It has to be the boy. Okay, the boy has to be the one to confirm, not the girl. Because, sorry, Josh, I put you on the spot. You deserve it after what you did. Kasi totoo lang, di ba? Kasi, ang lalaki dapat may paninindigan. At kung mahal mo yung babae, dapat kaya mo ipagsigawan na mahal mo siya. So, the ball is in your court. And sorry, I still use that term.
While Julia is at the edge of her seat.
Yeah, so Joshua has to answer that.
Yes.
Can I conduct the interview since you have
Yeah.
waited and you have, diba? Joshua Garcia, the question. Do you love Julia Barreto?
Yes.
Is Julia Barreto your girlfriend?
Hindi ko ba masabi dito?
Why?
Sa tamang panahon. Ginaya ka.
Kaya nga eh. Pero, okay, wait. Last question. Can you promise everybody here that you will stay faithful to that love for Julia Barreto? Actually, don't promise it to us. Can you promise it to Julia Barreto?
Baka I'm sorry if I made a mistake. But I promise to be a better man. For you. For us. Pinagpawisan si Joshua.
Cute! Pero, no, I have to admit, hindi for you, for us. Yun yung tumatak sa akin. Aww. Hashtag love wins.
Albert, meron pa additional?
Julia, is there any gay quality na feeling mo gusto mong ma-possess din ni Joshua?
Wow!
That's a nice question.
May gay quality pa daw na gusto ko ba?
Kung ma-possess din ni Joshua in real life.
Wow! I love the gay community. First of all, because they're all so honest and fun and very, very maalaga sa kaibigan na babae, diba? Correct! Sis!
Ay, nadinig ka
Si
kanina.
Joshua,
Sabi mo, last week ko pa sinabi sa akin.
it's already all that. I feel like he takes good care of me really, really well. He's protective, very, very protective. I think all that he is enough for me. I think there's nothing more I could. I think there's nothing more I could add.
Namiss namin yun Miss Chris, yung ganun mo. Ang ganda na sana, protective. I love it.
Very.
Albert?
Yan ako mahihiling.
Joshua, what did you enjoy the most playing a gay character? At saang part ka din nahirapan? Go sis!
No, siya si Besh
Can you answer in character? In character. Joke lang.
So ito na nga. At struggle lahat. Lahat actually. Kasi sabi ko kay Derek, ang hirap nung nagpapanggap ka. Lalaki ka nung nagpapanggap ka na Becky. Sobrang hirap. Tapos, yung emosyon pa, hindi siya pataas talaga lahat. Talagang bababa, tataas, bababa. So, bago sa akin, sobrang hirap. Siyempre, kinabayan lang talaga ako ni Derek. At, nung mga makeup artist namin sa set,
Yun ang peg mo?
tinutulungan nila ako. Tinutulungan nila ako eh. Ayun.
You and Giselle work together in Barcelona.
Yes!
Ayun.
Ika namin dyan sa Barcelona. Really.
Albert, okay ka na ba doon? Last na lang.
Kay Miss Chris.
Gay question ulit. Gay question kay Miss Chris.
Miss Chris, kasi now na parang bumalik-balik kayo sa pag-movies, does this mean po ba na itutuloy niyo po pa ang pag-movies and will we see you again in another horror movie? And last is, kasi yung last kita na nakita na nami-miss ko talaga was a conversation with Tito Boy Agonda. So, will we expect you also to be at the TWBA?
I'll answer the movie, but I'll throw it to Erickson. Erickson has to. Can we give the mic to Erickson? Kasi
Here, AC.
I don't know what was discussed. I was not present kanina at the meeting, and I was not, because when we arrived here, I was not fully briefed about how it transpired. So, it would be best na si Erickson ang sasagot niyan. Sorry, Erickson, this is what you get for taking on a Chris.
Meron kaming next project for Chris, another movie, pero hindi pa definitely kung ano tema. Inaayos pa namin. Probably in the next 2 weeks we'll have a final decision.
The other question is...
I couldn't say more because napagsabihan ako, don't say more. So, for once in my life, nakikinig at sumusunod na ako. So, that's why, binato ko sa kanya, so kung meron mang masabi, siya masisisi, not me.
The TWBA question, Miss Chris, kayo daw po ba yung makikita sa TWBA with Tito Boy?
You know, I had asked if that was part of it, and I had actually asked Miko if I could do it tonight, but it was too early.
Okay.
So they are fixing it, and but because we're also dependent on them because paalis sila. You're going to Hawaii, right? And they're going to be. When are you leaving? I'm sorry.
We're leaving on the 26th.
And you'll be back.
2nd of July.
Oh, and then we still have shooting on the 4th and the 5th, I think, to finish, right? I hope. We're not allowed to say that. Okay. Shut up na daw ako. So, okay, ewan ko, nahihimatay sila. Talaga, yun, hindi ako na-brief na bawal sabihin na hindi pa tapos ang movie. Okay, let's move on.
Thank you, Miss Chris. We're down to our last few questions. Ang pinaka